welcome to the 4th episode of Stormworks Hardcore, and today we're doing something really special. Today, you know this boat? Oh crap. You know this boat? Boat you love? No. This thing costs, let's see, $24,000. And I currently have $16,000. If you total that, that's about $40,000. So we're doing something. Well, first, in case this goes wrong, we're going to save this. The hardcore boat. Yes. And then we make a new one. And you'll see we have $40,000. So when you make a new boat, what's the first thing you do, you may ask? First thing you do is you fill out the entire thing. Like that. And then, just now, this is when you start to shape. Instead of adding, you erase. So I'm pretty sure this is the center right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, good. So instead of building, you erase, if that makes any sense. So, you may be asking, well, what's it gonna look like? Give me a minute here. I'm trying to shape my bow of this boat. So, that's what I'm doing. And I think I just got it. So, bam, 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 bam. So now, we erase this, erase this, this, and this. Erase this, erase this, erase that, erase this, erase that, erase that. And then you go ahead and turn this on, which I probably should have done in the first place, and bam. This is my boat. Which, if we spawn this in real quick, is a pretty big upgrade, if you ask me. So we're going to start with the bow, which is kind of my least favorite part, to be honest. Bam, bam, bam. Now we need one of these. Bam. And we need to get 1x2s. So far this costs a lot, actually. Which is why I have the original boat saved, in case this doesn't go well. So now you can see the shape of it. And this is kind of like a, we're kind of going to make this one into a fishing-ish boat. Because I caught my first fish. His name is Sammy from the last episode. So I'm going to make this go maybe 4 up. Sounds good. Just like that. I'm thinking this is going well. How about you? How's your day going? Probably not building a boat. I feel like Every episode when I don't know what to say, I just say, how's your day going? They're probably not blank, blank, blank. Whatever I'm doing in the episode. So we're going to add a little icebreaker here, which, how I like to do this, it's not, there really isn't a professional way. This is just how I like my boat being. And it turns out, I want to have my boat the way I like it, I have to scooch this back, which it can't go back. So I need to delete this, then scooch it back. And now it is the max. And the way I like to do mine is just like that. Because that gives you, like, if I was an iceberg, I'd be afraid. So, let's just put this up, do this, and we might actually go one more up. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna go one more up. Bam. Bam. I'm thinking this is a nice boat right now. I like the way it is curved from the top. It looks pretty nice. So now we are going to fill in some parts, and we're going to add the front ballast. The front ballast should always be a thing because you want the front of your boat to be buoyant, because when you're going over waves, you want to have some air in there so it can kind of go over it and not dip into it. So let's finish this off. And already, it's a pretty big boat. Spawn this in. It floats pretty dang well. And we're gonna add some decor to this because I like decor. Tire. I'm just kidding. Decor, logic, sensors. Decorator. Small tire or large? So this costs 20 and that costs 15. I'll look at both of them because it's about the size. So that's large and this is small. I don't know. Well, if we had smalls on this, it'd look like this. Like that. But if we had larges, it'd look like this. I'd say we do smalls. It just looks better with smalls. So, and I'll need to put them kind of like in the water because we're gonna probably have little viewing points. So bam. 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 And that looks good. And now I'm gonna add a little glass layer. Oh, won't let me. There it goes. Do this, that, and I'll catch back up with you in a little while. Currently, I am making this. Oh crap! Inside the boat. Look good. And luckily, it doesn't cost for paint. Because if it did, then I would be in trouble. Because I only have 36 left. And I still need to add those fluid jets because those are cool and I want power. I'm also going to put a generator in here. Also with it, so I'm going to have a lot of power. It is a fishing boat, so. Oh, crap. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. So now, if you look at it, it looks kind of good. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start adding the propulsion jets in now. So should probably actually delete these 2 windows, or like 3 windows, because I also need a back ballast, and it's this kind of gonna be in the ballast. You can place stuff in the ballast if you didn't know. So just try to place this in here without this being a pain. Oh, I just realized I need to do something if I want this to work. Because this needs to be sticking one out, I have to do that. I think I have to delete this for now to get these in. Now make this, and so here's the thing, kind of like a great white shark, we need to keep the bottom of this white. So fish, I don't know if the game is this in depth of fish stuff, but I know it does have a lot. So if we keep it white, then it will think that it's a normal thing. And how much is this? I might want a winch there. I'm gonna put 2 medium winches to help with in case I need to pull. It'd be nice to have them. So put these in. By the way, I've only spent $10,000 on this, and I mean that sarcastically. I think that's a lot. So let's look at this. This is power out, and that is in. So we need a pump. Pump. We'll do a large. Actually, this is 200, and look, this is 100. That's 100. That's 50. So impeller pumps aren't the best, but I don't know. I could do... I'll do an impeller. They're just not the bestest. And remember, I will have a generator in here too. So this is our only source of incoming power. And I'll do a line of them too. So we have 2 impellers on each side. Now we need pipes. Need this. And this, and it already gives me this. And while I'm at it, I'm going to very quickly do this so I don't forget, because I almost did. Bam. Now that looks pretty good, I guess. This is how jet skis are made, by the way. This is out, right? That should be... Yeah, that's fluid. Oh, this one's different. You already need power for these. I am a ding dong. I forgot that's how these work. and that's why it doesn't cost that much. Because you need power to move it, that's why they put them in ships. So, guess we'll do these, and we'll just do one of these, because one of these is a lot, actually. We could do 2. That'd be 800. I think I'll do 2. How much do these? So 5. They're all 5. Okay, I'm just worried about cost because it's costing a lot. So I think I can be worried about cost because of how costly it is. And I don't know why I'm like this. I know no one's going to see this, but I'd like it to look good on the inside, so I'm gonna do that. And this is out, right? That's in. Okay. Good to know. Bam. Maybe I'll have to do it like this. No, I can't do that like that. Not that either. Go up. Well, I can't do it like that. And so I think we're just gonna have to do one. That just means it's cheaper, which is good. And we're gonna add a second ballast in here because the more ballast, the better. Which is actually kind of true. Because if you have a lot of ballast, you float. If you float, and that's the point of a boat, to float. That's why it rhymes with float. I actually don't know if that's true or not. So we have a little ballast there. And this is... what is this? This is the power. This whole time I would have it hooked up the wrong way and I wouldn't know. Well, I am very glad that I checked. So out is going to go into this one's in. If you want to see a hour challenge build, I can do that. It's pretty easy to do those. Well, it isn't easy, but it isn't hard. I need a different type of... I need an angle corner. Like this. Because I need it to go up. Or do I need an angle? No, I don't. Oh, that's because I wanted to do the stand, even though there's one right there. So these pumps are really good pumps, which is why I'm assuming it will be able to reach all the way through here. And right here, we are going to do this. And then we're going to do this, because I'm pretty sure that's the amount of it. And now, what did I delete? Oh, I didn't delete anything. Slot, and we'll get this. So this is a giant fluid port, and that's what we want. I just need to raise it. Lift the boat. Now I can set it back down. And by the way, if you want to know, this is what it looks like so far if I just spawned it in. It'd probably be floating though, like that. Okay, and we can disable that. And we need to connect this. And a very simple system. We just need a small battery. This will be a separate bat. I call them bats because that's the short for battery. Do this, and now I'm just going to do a quick electrical. So, this battery powers this. Yeah, I guess I'll do this while I'm at it. Since this is powering this will go to here. And that'll be the same with this. Because this is making power. It doesn't need power, it's making power. So do that. And then this battery will charge the main battery. Which will be this. If I can fit this. Actually, I can't fit this, so it will be a bunch of these. Which works just as well. Because we can completely line them up. And have lots and lots and lots, lots and lots and lots of battery charge. Except we'll need a bunch of... Actually, no, we won't. We'll just do all these. We won't need all these. Because you see how much it costs for all of these? So, I would love to have all that power, but I don't have enough. So I'm just going to do... I don't know if I can afford one of these on both sides. But I guess we'll have to do that. And then back to this. These will charge. These. I will just make a circuit right there. So that's our simple wiring. Now we need to do the engine on this, which I'm afraid because I don't... So this costs 400. This costs 1,000. We should probably do one or two of these. I think we'll do one. And this doesn't even fit. So that means we'll have to do this, but that's alright. As long as it functions, it functions. And I might just put an engine hatch too. Yeah, I might get some pivots. Compact. And put these in like that. And bam. Oh, this needs to be on one side only. Bam. And we'll do one more right here. And this is the engine hatch. It needs to be, this is an important thing, it needs to be connected to, wait, I have these on the wrong side, don't, now I'll just have to do this. This will turn like that. Okay, this is, I just need it to be like that. It needs to have a hole. And now we add this. And now these are connected. I just need to merge these. This will be like this on this side. I actually just now realized I need to have this whole thing like that. And I'll have safety glass, don't worry. So now, if it's like this, this should be an engine hatch. And this will be all connected to the main build, because this doesn't need to go up with it. I will now see if this works after I get glass. I'll turn off caps lock. Okay, here we go. So I think we're doing, I think I'm going to do this so it can stretch out throughout the whole thing. Well, I need temporary walls, I guess. Would this work, having temporary walls? No, it doesn't want, that wouldn't work. Okay, so I guess we're not gonna do, actually we still can do safety shields. This won't be as good, I guess. It'll just be minor safety. And you probably shouldn't be able to see into it anyway. So I'll have it do a small overhang on that side. Actually, I need to delete that because that might get in the way. So now we should have some safety right there. How long have I been recording? Oh wow. So now I need door controller. Yeah, it's this one. These are, shout out to, oh, I forgot who made this, but shout out to them because they are awesome. Now I just need to hook them up. Output this. Input, well, we need to change that, but now all we do is just, we want to change 90? Would it be 90 degrees? Oh, 1 equals 90 degrees. So we should probably do 0.75. Let's test this out real quick. Toggle button, and let's hook up electric to all of this. Now I just do this. Bam. Bam. And let's see if this works. Well, it floats. Or kind of. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good engine maintenance. So now we can probably close these off too. We have the engine hood. And we need to start adding in hoppers. Hopper. Depends on, I want to look at all of these. Medium. Hopper. So, larges. Okay, I can't fit larges. Mediums, then just hopper. We'll have to do hopper. And these are 3x3. Yes. So, I guess right here would be good. And these need to go, just have a small over. I call these braces, I guess. A small brace. And now I need to tell these that this is the thing that I hate about these. Coal level. We don't want coal. They are preset to coal, which is good when you're building steam trains, which I might actually do, but still. No. What? Oh, I didn't have, darn it, I didn't have, mirror on. Easy fix. Bam. Fish on. Fish on. No. No uranium, no iron, no steel, no aluminum, no gold, no uranium. No, whatever that is. Bam, 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 bam. I'll catch up to you when I have this all done. Oh, hello. Why the heck? I am so angry I didn't turn it on again. Now I have it on. So I was doing that design to keep the fish when we drop them. We don't want them to flop all over the sides. We want them to stay and get caught in the hoppers. So I was making little borders so they can't get out, really. Well, they can get out, but I'm gonna add smaller ones so I can, and other things, other people can get to them, and so get to the hoppers without exercise, I guess. How's your summer going? Well, by the time this video has probably been watched by like 10 people, summer will have started. And summer starts for me in about 2 days when I'm recording this. So, yeah. I don't really have plans this summer. Woohoo! Do that. Okay, I can see how this is a fishing boat. I'm gonna add some decal because I feel like it's missing that. I feel like a nice green around the edge would be nice, like that. So mix in with this white. I'm gonna do that. I'm already decorating this. It looks nice though. I mean, you can't argue. Unless you don't like the color green for some reason. I like it. Favorite color is black. If you're wondering. I don't know why you would be wondering, but if you were, there you go. What was that noise? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know either. I have to finish up this episode. So I guess today was like, well, I already said what today's episode was going to be about, but today was the boat day. We built a boat. So maybe comment down below what do you think this boat, if you think it should be different, which you tell me because I read the little comments I get. I get like no comments. It feels like each time when I say comment down below, everyone's like, okay, I won't comment anymore. Well, I like how this fishing boat is going so far. It kind of looks like it's a attack boat, like these are control sensors, but we know it's not. This little fishing boat, it's gonna be pretty small, but oh no, look, so I've been recording for what, 35 minutes? I think I'll do it like an hour boat build. You know what I mean? So let's get building. We need the arms. The arms are gonna be like, since I have the hatch, they would have to be like right here, or I can put them right here. I think I'll actually have to put them right here. So let's get a pivot. This time we're going to do fluid power. Why would I? You don't need power for them. I'm just gonna. I guess I'll have it, but I'm not actually using the main purpose of the bigger one, which is to transport stuff with it. So I don't know in this game what I'm pretty sure it's D is positive, right is positive, but I'm not sure in this game. But I think it's right is positive. Okay. Which means I'll need to invert this number, let's call it, and I can turn this off for now. Now I can turn it right back on. Inverted number will be this, and then the outcome is.
I'll have another small one here in a second. My battery died.
Where is that?
Lean them up against the.
I think this looks good. It looks good. I will do. I'll tell you what. I need to add supports for this because I might post this on the workshop when I'm finished with it, which will be a while when I'm finished, by the way, in case you couldn't tell. Looks good. I think I'll paint this orange. Does that look good? This orange? Come on, select. I don't know, what would the color be? Would it be this? This kind of looks good. It's like maroon. Okay. I guess we're going to be building in this color now. So, I need to get the underneath, under it. Paint. Bam. Go out about that much, like that, and now we actually need to add. First, we need to paint this whole thing because I'm tired of it not looking good. Now we need to add the actual. I go to the net anchors, and this is what makes the net. And while we are at it, I'm going to switch back, and I think ones would be good, so fish can't get out, but humans can. Now turn it back to the color I was using, and we're going to make this look like good. I did this on, I just like it looking good, okay? It's unnecessary. Well, I am going to post this on the workshop if I want people to subscribe to it, just like how you should subscribe to me. I should probably make it look good, because I'm pretty sure there's just a category for like looking good stuff. Like you can download cars that look like they're actually the cars. Now a lot of them, I downloaded one. I undid it though because I mean it's kind of useless if you think about it. But it was a nice little car. I'm sorry if you're watching this and I called it useless. You wouldn't even know that I was the one that downloaded it, though. Actually, you know, I don't know how that works. Bam. Okay, so now these, you could say, kind of look good, but I'm still not finished with them. I gotta add the outer ring, I call it. Kind of protects them, which is necessary, actually. It's kind of necessary. You don't need it to be protected, but you don't want it to not be protected, if that makes any sense to you. I feel like today is just building, because that's literally what I said this episode was going to be about. Building. By the way, look how much money I still have. $23,000. I only used like half my earnings so far. Let's keep on going. Let's make a fishing boat. Just imagine how much money I'll get when this is finished and I actually take it out for a spin, which might be in a while because I don't know if I can afford the whole thing. I'm gonna try though. Don't stop believing. I don't want to get copyrighted. So, whoa. Look at this again. Kind of is doing the exact same design. Because it's the only design I really have. And it's not really even a design. So, this episode is going to take forever to come out. Bam. 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 And bam. Ba-bam. Shazam. Ka-cam. What am I even saying? Bam. Bam. I think these look pretty good. I mean, I don't know why I chose like spear to put around it. Probably because it's the only thing that kind of works. But so now what I need is to add pivot. And the only reason why I'm adding pivots, if you are wondering, let me get that net back, is because pivots make, and actually that's reminding me, I need to merge. Oh, it's already merged. It's re-merge. That's good. Pivots make new structures. So instead of just doing what I did last time, I can actually do this. And this is a new block that is separate from everything else. So, go down into it. I'll actually probably do that. And I can delete these, which I call placeholder blocks. And I'll be back in a while when I have this finished. So I just spawned this in, and it's actually sinking. It capsized and I'm stuck. Don't die like this. This is hardcore. So it capsizes. How do we fix this? We fix this with weight. So what we're doing to fix this is we're just adding weight to the bottom, which should help it. It does a little bit. It's still capsizing. That's because something is off. Something's not centered. Oh, it'd be really funny if these couple things right here are the things that are ruining this. That would be very funny, but that's probably not what it's doing. These couldn't be off-centered, could they? No, they can't. We'll add, we can just have deployable pontoons, but how would we get out in time? I don't know. That is a problem for later, but I was trying to spawn this too. I don't know why it's thinking, but those are how big the nets are, which I think is gigantic. So we have like 5 more minutes until we're gonna leave off. I think I'll catch up with you later, but I'm just gonna real quickly outline where the control deck is going to be, where you're going to control this giant ship, because that has to be a thing. So I will see you next time in Stormworks Hardcore. Hope you like this episode, and stay tuned because we might get a lot of money from fishing off of this vessel. Alright, goodbye, and have a nice day.